হাই, সানওয়ে অ্যাডমিশন থেকে সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। সো আমরা হচ্ছে এখন এমআইটিতে ম্যানিকাউ ইনস্টিটিউট অফ টেকনোলজি। আমরা সবাই জানি যে ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং প্রোগ্রামের জন্য কিন্তু ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেস্ট ইনস্টিটিউট ইন নিউজিল্যান্ড, এমআইটি ম্যানিকাউ ইনস্টিটিউট অফ টেকনোলজি। সানওয়ে অ্যাডমিশন উই আর দ্য অফিসিয়াল রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভ ফর ম্যানিকাউ ইনস্টিটিউট অফ টেকনোলজি। আমরা বাংলাদেশের মার্কেট প্রমোট করতেছি। সো আমরা অনেক লাকি যে আমাদের সঙ্গে আছেন মিস ক্যারি, ইন্টারন্যাশনাল অ্যাডমিশন হেড ফর দ্য এমআইটি। সো আমরা আজকে ট্রাই করব যে যেসব স্টুডেন্ট ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টুডেন্ট এমআইটি সম্পর্কে যেসব কোশ্চেন জানতে চায়, আমরা ট্রাই করব যে আপনার কাছ থেকে আজকে ম্যাক্সিমাম কোশ্চেনগুলো জানার জন্য। সো হাই, হাউ আর ইউ?
Very well.
Yeah.
And welcome back to the campus. It's
Thank
nice to have you here again.
Thank you. Just can you tell us something about the programs that MIT are offering now?
Okay, so MIT is a government institute of technology based in Auckland, and most of our teaching is in South Auckland, so we're very lucky to have really nice campus facilities, so it's great to have you come and visit. We appreciate when our representatives come to the campus because then we think they're able to give a really good representation of what students can expect, and we think that for students and parents it's really good to have that knowledge before they make a decision about whether they want to come and study. We think New Zealand is a really strong study destination because we're known for having high quality programs, but we're also known to have, I think, a welcoming culture. So we enjoy having people from different nationalities studying on our campus and also part of our wider community. So we hope that your students would always feel welcome. You know, that it's really important to us that students feel they're part of the MIT community, but also the wider New Zealand community. So we're very well known for engineering, I think, as you mentioned. So at the moment, program ranges from level 6 diplomas through to bachelor's degrees. All of those qualifications have international accreditation, which means that students know that those qualifications are well recognised, not just in the New Zealand work environment, but also externally. New Zealand has strong demand for engineering. Auckland is our biggest city, and we have huge demand on both growing our city, but also looking after all of the different infrastructure in our city. So it's been an in-demand program for a long time. We're also very strong in nursing. MIT is one of the largest nursing providers in the country, and that's also taught in this campus. Something we'll talk about a little bit further on is maybe our Maritime program.
Yeah, maybe, definitely.
Yeah, because it's something MIT is quite famous for because we're the largest maritime provider in the country. The other programs that we see students interested in more recently, early childhood teaching and primary teaching. We've seen quite a lot of interest in those programs, along with traditional programs like information technology and business.
Yeah, okay, thanks to you, we explained very well. So the things from Bangladesh, actually we got so many inquiries about marine engineering programs. So we have so many marine engineers who already did their program and they have 3 years, 5 years job experience. Actually, if they want to come to join a program in MIT, which program you recommend them to join initially here in MIT?
It depends on their background. So we receive a number of students from Bangladesh every year to study maritime, and normally they're coming to us for the senior certificates of competency. So the original names for those were MEC 3, which is the entry level, followed by MEC 2, and the most advanced would be the MEC 1 program. So it depends. I think in most cases students come to us with a minimum, say, of 3 years work experience, and the academic team go through the student's logbook and they'll look at the types of vessels and roles that they had. So we've got programs in both mechanical, and we also have the navigation part. So what we would suggest, it's quite a specialised program, is to make an inquiry, lodge an application, and then we send that through to the academic team for assessment.
Okay, so and how much the fees normally in average for the medical?
The fees for a year are 26,000 New Zealand dollars. So some students come to us and they would study for a year, and in that time they would complete, say, their MEC2 qualification, and a lot of students then go back to industry, because the benefit with New Zealand certificates of competency is that they are whitelist qualifications. So those are issued through Maritime New Zealand, which is the professional body for the maritime industry, but we work very closely with them as an organisation.
Okay.
I will just say one thing. For Maritime, we have different intakes, so we are able to accept students in September,
Oh,
depending on their background. So we can provide you with more information.
details,
But make that inquiry, and then
Yeah.
we'll see what we can
Definitely,
let you know.
ডেফিনেটলি ও যেটা বললো যে মেরিটাইমের জন্য কিন্তু নর্মালি সেপ্টেম্বরে কিন্তু আপনার এমআইটির কোনো প্রোগ্রামে কোর্স নাই, ওদের ম্যাক্সিমাম সব কোর্সগুলো কিন্তু ফেব্রুয়ারি আর জুলাইতে, বাট স্পেশালি মেরিটাইমে ও যেটা মেনশন করলো যে আপনার প্রোফাইল, আপনার ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড অ্যাসেসমেন্ট করে যদি মনে হয় যে আপনি অ্যাডমিশন নিতে পারবেন, তো ডেফিনেটলি হয়তো সেটাও সম্ভব হতে পারে। সো এটার জন্য আমি সবাইকে অনুরোধ করবো এমআইটিতে ডিরেক্টলি কন্ট্যাক্ট করার জন্য, ওদের ইন্টারন্যাশনাল অ্যাডমিশনের সঙ্গে আপনি রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভ হিসেবে আমাদের সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। সো আল্লাহ হাফিজ, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন।